Hi, good day, M6090. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, my future employer. I am Esmeralda Litoni. I'm 45 years old and I have one child, boy. It's already 10 years old.
Your religion,
I am Catholic.
highest educational attainment.
I am a BSBA, major in business.
Okay, you're a college graduate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your civil status.
I'm a single mom.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in different country or in abroad, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
I'm working in Qatar in 2016 until 2018. uh, a couple and have two child. One is 4 and one is 2 years old. And my work there is taking care of the child, cooking, tutoring, and washing, ironing, and cleaning the house.
Okay, your second employer.
My second employer is from Dubai, from starting of 2022 until 2025. And they only a couple, but I taking care of the pets there. They have two dogs, one cat, two birds, and one lizard. And
Okay,
my work there is all around cleaning the house, washing, ironing, and cooking.
okay. Since I saw that you have an experience, oh sorry, you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
No, but I have a child.
Okay, so you have a child, but it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare a meal for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check first the temperature. If it's still not stop crying, I check the stomach and give it the feed milk, and also check the diaper.
Okay. And if the baby is doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I called my employer.
Okay, and what will you say to the
I
employer?
tell to my employer the baby not stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I like to experience work in Hong Kong, and I like also to learn their culture, and I like also to learn how to cook the Chinese food.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I like to finish my contract, and it depends to my employer. If he still like me, I continue my contract.
So it is okay to you to extend that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn,
And how will you learn to cook?
to read and to watch the video.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets? Because you have an
Yes.
experience, right?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I give all my best to work and my loyalty and willing to learn.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Esmeralda. Thank you.
Thank you so much also.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.